So in this video, I will share with you how you can tweak 2 monetization features on your YouTube channel. And when you make some adjustment to these features, you can double the earnings of your YouTube channel. Some of you may have been using the first one, but I'm very sure that a lot of you don't know about the second. I was chatting with one of my channel's members who recently got monetized, and she has been earning from her channel through ads placed on her videos. So the money has been dripping in. The first month she got less than $100, the second month a little over $100. I was somehow concerned about her earning reports because she was getting a lot of views on her channel, and the earnings from her channel wasn't adding up with the number of views she was getting, on her channel. So I felt that probably her channel CPM was very low because I didn't have access to that info. Some days ago, she chatted me up and informed me that she recently started earning more on her channel and didn't know that she had to manually insert mid-roll ads on her videos. Some videos over 8 minutes long on her channel didn't have the mid-roll ads inserted in them. So she added mid-roll ads on her videos manually, and that doubled her earnings. She will definitely be earning up to $300 from her YouTube channel in subsequent earnings. This inspired me to make this video because I know a lot of you use the YouTube Studio mobile app to manage your channels. And also I will share with you these monetization features that you can use to double your earnings on your live stream, which I know a lot of you need to learn. This is why I do suggest, as a content creator, you need a computer not only for creating content but also for managing your online enterprise, because there are some features you cannot access with your phone that you can only access with a computer, not minding the platforms, whether Facebook, TikTok, Instagram or YouTube. So check if you're not adding the mid-roll ads manually on your videos over 8 minutes long. That means you are leaving a lot of cash on the table. For you to manually add mid-roll ads in your video, you need to do it in the YouTube Studio on a browser. Click on the video you want to add mid-roll ads. Make sure it is 8 minutes long or more and click on monetization. Then click on manage mid-rolls. Then click at the point of the video you want the ads to play and click ad break. An ad will be inserted right at that point in the video. And if you want to add more ads, do the same process and finally click continue to save the setting. You can insert as many ads as you want, but inserting 2 to 3 ads in a 10 minutes long video is ideal for good viewing experience. And mind you that not all ads you place on your videos will eventually play. Also, inserting mid-ad rolls will double your RPM. However, inserting too many ads in your videos have some drawbacks, like it can reduce your audience retention time and also negatively affect your video's performance, especially if you add it too early in your videos. So if you want to use this strategy, use it wisely and you see your earnings double. The second strategy is to add mid-roll ads on your live stream. With this, ads will play while you are live on your live stream. So to do this, click on create, go live, then edit and monetize. So this process is the process you use to create a live stream session. So make sure that monetization is on. Then enable the type of ads you want to display on the live stream. You can select all of them. Then check this box, which is for setting video ads during your live stream, and then select the frequency. This is how often you want ads to appear on your live stream, and then save it. I would recommend that you choose the timing from 12 minutes and above, but it's all your choice. From my experience, using the every 6 minutes made me lose viewers during a live stream, and that is not what you want on your live streaming. You want your viewers to stay with you, but if the ads are coming up too often, this could irritate some viewers and they will skip the ads and even skip your live stream altogether because of the poor viewing experience. So use this monetization feature wisely, or let me say moderately. If you have yet to use any of this on your channel, start using it now and see your earnings double. Also, consider my recommendations when applying them. I'm sure this was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if it was, and let me know in the comment section if you have been adding the mid-ad roll manually on your videos. Do you apply a lot or you simply don't care? and support this channel by subscribing if you haven't, and you can join my upcoming workshop waiting list by clicking the first link in the description. See you soon.